Welcome back to the Holiday Road travel vlog. We are in Gunnison, Colorado.
So we're on our way to the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. Now this is part 2 of a long series that we are on a big road trip across the American West. So make sure you're subscribed. Check out our channel when earlier this morning, check out our previous video when earlier this morning we went to Great Sand Dunes National Park, but now we're on to our second national park of the day. Like Anna mentioned, we're just outside of Gunnison at a national recreation area. Enjoying the views of this beautiful lake behind us. Everything seems hazy. The only bad thing about this day is the weather is pretty crummy. You can see lots of clouds right now, not very sunny. It's the middle of May and it's pretty cold and chilly as well. So we're hoping that as we head closer to the national park, things might clear up a little bit. But as for this lake area, little bits of a hindered view there. And it's a no drone zone, so I can't even take things out on the water to get a little close up. Place for safety, I can go. Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape. So we just pulled over in this national recreation area because Deanna spotted quite a few mountain goats up there. And she just bought something off Amazon for this very kind of occasion. So she got a new set of binoculars. And it looks like we've got quite a few up there. Really cool. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for soul. So we're freaking out. We just pulled off the side of the road. There's like, I don't know, 40 moose just hanging out. It's absolutely bananas. We've seen like 1 or 2 in the wild before, but never this many. So we actually can't confirm if they're elk or moose. We can't really get close enough. So I'll show you right here in this area are all the whatever creature they are, but there's tons of them.
I'm almost positive that those are actually a herd of female elk, not moose. It looks like female moose do not have a white tail or butt. Also, I took my drone up. I was trying to just be from a distance, get a better view of them from the skies, leave a drone land. But they did not like it. They started running immediately after. They started hearing it, and so I took it back right away. I felt bad. I didn't mean to do that. So we're really sorry to all the elk / potentially moose, probably elk though. They stopped, they were fine. I was still away from them. I think the noise just bothered them. Yeah, they were just caught off guard, but it was fine. They were good. So this is the last month of our national park pass before we have to renew it. So we are using it 7 times this month. We cannot recommend the National Park Pass enough. For $80, it's unlimited. I think we used it like 15 to 20 times this time. So if you add that up at $30 a pop, you're talking a lot of money. So yeah, like $500. We saved like $500 in national park fees by just buying that pass, and it's good for a year. So I was a little hesitant to come here because nobody ever talks about Black Canyon National Park. Grand Canyon gets all the press. When you're in Colorado, it's Rocky Mountains. But I'm telling you right now, this view is just overwhelming and spectacular. More people should talk about this. It is totally worth it and absolutely stunning. We only have time to see the south rim today, but I heard the north rim is just as, if not more, amazing. They've got some really cool hikes over there. But for today, we'll enjoy the time we have and see things from the south side. Holy cow. That's insane.
babe, what are your thoughts on the Black Canyon? First overlook. It doesn't get any better than this. We're heading into the visitor center now for the South Rim to see if there's anything special we need to know before continuing through the rest of the park. Like these overview topography maps kind of show everything above.
So I just bought this patch because I'm going to start collecting patches from our national parks, and it's the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. But then the little ranger in there told me that this pattern that's on the top here is one of the patterns that's in one of the rock formations. I'm not sure which one it was, but I thought that was really cool.
From the visitor center launches a short pathway down to an amazing overlook here. So we're just taking this short path down, but real easy to get to and right off the visitor center. And moderate hikes, most of the park is just scenic overlooks. Now, like I said, you can't get to the North Rim, but that takes about 2 to 3 hour drive over there for more hiking. But every one of these overlooks is so different, even though the park may be pretty minimal in what it has to offer in that respect. Each overlook is worth it. So super cool. We're so glad we came here. We're here at Pulpit Rock, which is one of the coolest overlooks to really see the water of the creek that shaped the canyon. Again, we can't get over about how cool the views are at every single overlook here. It's a quick park to go in and out of. There's not a lot to do other than just kind of look at the sights. But the sights are spectacular. The weather today hasn't been great, and as you can see by Deanna's attire here, it's starting to rain again, so I don't know how much more time we're going to spend in the park itself. But we have a hotel in Montrose, Colorado, which is like 20-30 minutes outside the park, so we're going to head over there, I think, and grab some dinner, and then retire for the night because we got big plans again tomorrow. We were going to call it quits early, but my lovely wife reminded me that we're only here once, so we're going to finish the trail. So one stop left after this, but I mean, this alone was worth sticking out the rain a little bit longer. So we always try to hit a local restaurant when we're in the area. So we're at a place called Camp Robber. We think it's local. We haven't heard of it before. So
I think it's local.
but yeah, they got a big menu. So it's about 25 minutes outside of the park and close to our hotel. So what do we get for our appetizer?
We got some crab cakes to share.
Honestly, crab cakes are 10 out of 10, some of the best I've had, which is not what you'd expect for the middle of Colorado. Oh, Deanna got, is that the Parmesan crusted?
Yeah, Parmesan crusted chicken salad with pineapple and strawberry. I needed something healthy.
That's awesome. And then I got the chicken Alfredo, rosemary chicken Alfredo. It looks delicious.
Look at that chicken, it's like oozing.
I know, it looks really good. It's stuffed. It's stuffed with Swiss cheese. How's that salad?
It's good. Very fresh.
Oh, that place was super good. A lot of unique offerings, reasonably priced. It was a great place to have dinner. Wasn't anything super crazy, but I mean, we were satisfied. Nice way to end our day here in this part of Colorado.
No, that showed the lake.